yeah, for me, there's mainstream and there's Hmong artists. I look at it as, I'm gonna stick with what we got right now, and what is most prevalent and meaningful. And so for Hmong artists, I think having LP on board when he was younger definitely built more of an impact. We didn't feature a lot of people, but the people that we did, I felt like we had the right collabos. There's really not anyone I definitely want to see, but Tommy did some of his own solo collaborations. I did some of my own solo collaborations. I would like to see Joe do more collaborations on his own, because I think there's other guys that fit his style that don't necessarily fit mine or Tommy's. Like Def Rhyme, Deuce Khan, and guys like that that are kind of more, has Joe's kind of more feel. I feel like they would have made some dope collaborations. For us as like a duo right now without Joe, I feel like who most resembles what we were doing back then is like Sons of No Town. I feel like the image, the sound, the culture, like they have everything that we were attempting to do back then. And they got the right skill set. They could be mainstream, they could be underground. They're very dynamic, and like if we did a 4-man collabo, I feel like right now that would be a big gift for the people. So if I had like my last like retiring collabo, that would be the way I would go out. If people because I know people would like to see that, so the audience would be proud of that. And we talked about it at some point, but I don't know if it'll ever happen. I'm at the end of my wish where like I'm just not as hungry on that end, but who knows? Who knows? You did some stuff with them, right?
Yeah, I've done the track with SON, but it actually wasn't my track.
Yeah.
I was featured on there along with SON, so
that wasn't a personal track
no.
yet, but yeah, they've done some stuff together. How about like mainstream artists?
Mainstream artists, man. Got to go back to the '90s, man. Bone and
Bone Thugs.
That's it, man. Pretty much.
Bone Again.
Bone Again. Those are probably the one group that I really want to open up for. But just going back and reminiscing back to all the artists that we have opened up for, man, from like Kanye West to Twista, Black Eyed Peas, man. Like, yeah, I mean, what more can you ask for, right? I mean, that's just opening up for them, man. Like that, I'm just forever grateful for that, man. So.
Yeah, when you play for Kanye, it's like there's not much of a window. like who's gonna be above Kanye that someone would pick. So it just like that's as high as you can get.